Okie dokie. I'm going to teach you how to do the 3-card Monty trick is actually what it's called. So, let's get started. This trick legit only uses 3 cards. And the 3 cards that you're going to need are, they can vary, but the ones I use is, I use a black king, a red queen, and a joker. Not the guarantee joker, the other joker, just the normal joker. These 3 cards I use. Now, when I start the trick, I actually don't show them the 3 cards. I don't just like tell them what I'm taking out or anything. I just tell them that this trick only uses 3 cards, which is very true. Now, you're going to set them up in a certain manner. It's going to go jokers on the top, king, and queen. Now what's supposed to happen is you're supposed to be keeping this joker a secret until the very end. The way we do that is by first, it's a routine. So you start out by doing a double lift and saying, I have a king of spades. Pull that card off. But it's actually a joker. Then you flip over the next one and you say, I got a 2 king of spades. When I normally start this, I actually say that I actually cheat and I have duplicates. But now you just showed them 2 kings, and you said, now I got the queen of hearts. And the reason you have to go with, like, this is a story, is because you can't have them actually guess where the things are. You can't be like, alright, what do you think it is? Because if they say it's wrong, then it's not going to work too well. So, now you're in this position. You're with joker on the bottom, king in the middle, queen on the top. You just switch them around. Now, at this point, you're going to flip over the top card, and you're going to say it's a queen. Now, try to flip it over just like you did the other one. So, if you did a double lift like this, flip over the queen exactly the same way, but this is only 1 card. So, you flip over the queen, you say, the guy asked me to follow the queen. And he tried, and then you're going to get a pinky break. You're going to flip it over, and you're going to take both of them and put them to the bottom. And you're going to say, he asked me where I thought the queen was. And then I said the bottom. So you say the bottom, and then you show that that's a king. He said, and then you say, and then he said, I'll give you another chance. Now this is the next move. You put your finger on the corner, and you're going to push up 2 cards. See? But they don't need to be perfectly as 1, but you should be able to push up 2 cards as 1. But you want to push up 2 cards. Okay, so once you got 2 cards up, you're going to pull the back one. Well, first, you're going to have your thumb to the edge of the bottom card, and you're going to pull the back one down to the edge. So, it looks like you have the middle card and the top card, and then you ask. But here's what actually happens. You got the middle card, just the middle card sticking out. So there. Then you ask. Then you say the guy said he'd give me another chance. And then I said the top. Now what's going to happen is you're just going to take this whole bottom portion and flip it over. It's actually flipping over the 2 cards, but you can't just flip it over. You kind of have to slide it back because this card's in the middle. You just take it and you go, that's also a queen. Then you just flip over this card and you say, I'll give you 1 more chance. Where do you think it is? And then I said the middle, and that's also the king. Right after you do this, you'll place this card to the bottom. Then you'll recap. You'll be like, this guy just showed me there was 3 kings. Now the way I did it, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3 kings. That's a very good method of doing this. You go like this. Alright, you're going to show the king. You're going to go palm down, pull off the top card. Go again, show the same king again, pull off the top card, and then show the king again. Now, it may look really dumb in slow motion, but if you do it like this, they will not even notice. So after that point, so you go, this guy just showed me that there was 1, 2, 3 kings. Then you're going to set this card back on the bottom. But he also said that there was a queen. But then he said that there was not only just one queen. You show the bottom. You do that same thing you did before, where you push the top 2 cards up, pull the top one back until it's lined up with the bottom. You said there's also a queen on the top. Then you flip it over. There's also a queen in the middle. Then you're going to take this queen and put it to the bottom. And show this queen 3 times. 1, do that same thing from the top. 2, from the top. And 3. Now at this point, the joker is going to be on the bottom. So, you want to get the joker to the top. So you said, and then he again showed me that there was only 1, 2, 3 cards. That's it. Now, by switching that, you got the joker to the top. And now you're like, here's what you say. You say, I'm going to tell you how I do it. Alright? I actually use a wild card. And you flip over the top card to show it's a joker. This is going to be the point where people are like, what? How did you get the joker there? They're going to be flipping out. You're going to say, as you know, jokers are wild. You're going to put that joker to the bottom. You're going to say, I actually use 1, do that same move, 2, 3. 3 jokers. I keep 1 at the bottom, push top 2 cards up, pull the top one back, keep it at the top, actually showing the bottom card. Flip it over and show that middle card again. I use 3 jokers. And these jokers can change into, say, they're going to get a pinky break. You're going to place this joker on top. And you're going to do what's called a shapeshifter change. What this looks like is, you grab both the cards, okay? So the joker and the queen on the bottom, joker, queen. And you grab them by the corners, and you pinch your fingers together so that it bends towards your hand. And then you're going to, actually you're not going to pinch yet, you're going to pinch with these fingers. So your other fingers are going to come in like this, grab, so you're holding it like this, your other fingers come in, grab like this, and pull back like this. It's very hard to do this in slow motion, but what happens is, once you get that tension, you let go with your thumb, and you flip it over. In fast motion, it looks like this. You say it can turn into a queen. Okay, so joker, you say it can turn into a queen. It looks really nice. If you can't quite get that down, grab the card, right? And you'll notice that your finger on the side. Now you gotta grab it so that let's see what I mean. You gotta grab it like this. Okay? You can't grab it on these corners. You want to grab it on these corners. Okay? So you're gonna grab it opposite to where the pips are. So the pips are right here. You're gonna grab it the opposite side. You're gonna use this finger, your pointer finger, and you're going to put it on the edge of that card and just pull towards yourself. And you'll flip that over. But you can't do that fast enough for them not to notice. See, because that's not fast enough. You just got to give it a little shake. And then you can be like, so it can change into anything. So you'd be like, these jokers can change into anything. At this point, you take the queen. You do that same move. Then you say, the joker can also, you're going to grab 2 cards. So you're going to be at the bottom, you're going to grab 2 cards. The Joker can also turn into a king, and then you're going to flip over the bottom card. So you got 2 cards in this hand. You're going to go, you can also turn into a king, and then you're going to do that same move with the 1, 2, 3, and then you say for the grand finale, if I give it just a lit, or you're going to take the queen, king, put it to the bottom, you're going to say, but if I give it just a little snap, I can get 1 of each. And you can hand these cards out for examination, and you just did yourself a real nice trick. And yeah, that's it. So, hope you liked it. Have fun. I kind of failed that, but have fun with this. I hope you learn it and can do it. I do this trick all the time. It's amazing. I haven't had one person know how I did it, so that's good. And next, I will be teaching a big, amazing flourish, because that's what you wanted. So that's what's going to happen. Okay, bye.